Lower thirds allows you to add animated lower thirds overlays into your productions. Within a project, the lower thirds is displayed in the bottom right hand corner of the switcher interface. If you don't see it, it might be minimized, so just click here in the bottom right hand corner on lower thirds control to expand that. You'll need to make sure that you have the main settings for the lower thirds turned on. That's that button there, and you'll see it outlined in green. You'll also need to make sure that you have the lower thirds added as a source into whichever scene you would like it in. You can see here I've got lower thirds already added to the Caller 1 scene. Like any source, to add it, you just click the plus icon and then open up the drop down menu and go to lower thirds there. Now to use your lower thirds, the first thing you'll want to do is put in a name for the person that you need it for in the name box. And then in the info, you would usually put in somebody's job title. You can save that. You've got some memory slots just down here. So if you just click in one, you've saved it. Got 2, 3. To delete these, just click and hold on them. They'll flash red, and then you can get them back out of there. To actually run the lower third, you just click in the top right-hand corner of the lower third section. That'll start to run. It'll come in and then hold for a few seconds, depending on what you've got set. You'll see that this has gone green to indicate that it's running, and then it'll go amber when it's on the way out. So there's plenty of things that you can customize within a lower third. So if you open up the plus, so this paintbrush icon, you have 3 styles to choose from. Let's choose a different one there. You can choose whether you have a logo or not. You can choose the alignment, the font, the color, lots of stuff you can change in there. So when you're happy, you can minimize that. If you want to pick a logo, you just click on the Your Logo Here part here and then choose an image. You'll see I've already got some logos saved in here. So I'm just going to select this one, open that one up. Let's save this as another one there. So number 2. And then if we run that again, you see we've got a different style there, and we've got the logo in there as well. Now, if you're not happy with what you've done there, if you just click the X, that will turn it back to defaults. So you can bring that one back up again by clicking it and click it off with X. So you can set a default logo in here as well. So if you open up the main settings, you see you've got appearance, customs, and system. Go to customs, go for default logos. You can open that one up. You can choose an image. That brings me back to my logos folder here with all my logos. Now, you can save your own logos here, but what you will need to be aware of is they have to be saved in this folder. They can't be saved anywhere else. So you need to follow this path in order to save them in here. So it's in the local disk, program files, head down to QuickLink, in the switcher folder, data, switcher plugins, switcher browser, switcher animated lower thirds, and then logos. So you can save all your default logos in there. I'm going to set this as a default logo. So that means now when that's closed, if I take everything back to default, the logo's in there automatically. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.